Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make honey glazed cornbread. First, combine your dry ingredients in a large bowl. You'll need 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these together until they are well combined, ensuring an even distribution for a perfect texture. This initial step is crucial for a consistent and delicious cornbread. Next, prepare your wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of milk and 1/4 cup of melted butter. Then, beat in 1 large egg until the mixture is smooth and fully incorporated. Gently pour the wet mixture into your dry ingredients. Stir until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough cornbread, so be careful not to overdo it. This step brings everything together. Now it's time to bake. Pour your cornbread batter into a greased 8 by 8-inch baking pan. Bake it in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean and the top is golden brown. While your cornbread bakes, gently warm 1/4 cup of honey for the glaze. This will make it easier to spread. Once your cornbread is out of the oven, immediately brush the warm honey glaze evenly over the hot surface. The heat will help the glaze absorb beautifully, creating that irresistible sweet and moist finish. Let it cool slightly before slicing into squares and serving. It's perfect warm with a pat of butter or alongside your favorite chili. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade honey-glazed cornbread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.